Oh wow, my water bill went down a ton this month.
Really? That's great. I wonder what changed.
Yeah, so I recently installed a ton of efficiency devices. Let me come show you. I think that's really helped make a big difference in my water use. So a faucet aerator is the device on the end of your sink, and it basically controls the amount of water that's going to come out. So a high efficiency one is going to let less gallons per minute come out. So we definitely want to install the high efficiency faucet aerator today.
Huh, that's neat. I don't think I've ever seen one, but I do live in an older apartment, so I doubt mine is this efficient. You think you could show me how to install one?
Oh yeah, let me show you how to install it. It's super easy. So basically what we're going to do is unscrew the current existing one in a counterclockwise motion. It should come off pretty easily. There might be a little buildup in there from the water, but that's totally okay. If it doesn't just come off with your hands, one thing you can do is use a pair of pliers, or even sometimes I've used like one of those jar grip things, but you don't want to tug on it too much because then you might cause some issues with your pipe. So if it doesn't come off relatively easy, just leave it alone for a professional. The next step, we're going to want to rinse out the faucet just a little bit, let it run for a second. That should be fine. And then we're going to take our new aerator. Usually they have a few washers in there. It depends on the size of your sink. I believe I only need one for mine. We're going to place it right in that spot. Let me look down here to get the right size hole. And we're going to screw it on in a clockwise motion. And then we are good. So you can also change the aerator in your kitchen using the same method. This one's on there a little bit tighter, so we're going to go ahead and unscrew counterclockwise, and just with a jar opener it comes off really easily. You can see a little buildup in there, and what we're going to want to do is again just lightly turn on the water to rinse out that faucet real quick, let it run for just a minute, and then we're going to take our new aerator. This one likely doesn't need two washers just based on the size of my sink, so I'm going to take one of them out, and then we'll go ahead and screw that on there. And just like that, now we're saving water and money.
And I'm learning so much. Wow, that was way too easy. I gotta get one.
Definitely. And make sure when you do get one that you get a WaterSense verified one, because that's going to be the most efficient model on the market. It's going to save you the most money, the most water, and be the most efficient.